Hey YouTube, it's Kazi, and today I'm doing another DIY, although it's not a very complicated DIY or even one that you probably needed me to make, but I made it because this idea to me was revolutionary. I've had a ring light for a while and I couldn't figure out a good way to use it on my desktop. Enter this block of wood and a wood screw. That's literally all you're gonna need for this DIY, other than your ring light, of course. And if you don't have a ring light, go buy that first. I basically just went ahead and screwed the ring light into this 2x4 or whatever size piece of wood this is, and I'm using that as my stand for the Diva light. It's not pretty, and none of my DIYs are probably ever going to be pretty because I don't have time for that. It's simple, it's functional, and it works. Two flaws with this DIY. First flaw is you need to plug in the ring light before you screw it into the wood, otherwise you won't be able to use it. Second, the fact that you have your ring light screwed into wood makes it a little bit more difficult to move it around. So if it's not going to be sitting on a desk for most of your usage, I would suggest going with a tabletop stand. I'm Kazi. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And I would say that I'm going to post links of everything that I used in this video, but it's just a piece of wood and a screw, guys. It's really simple. So, okay, bye.